Welcome to our backyard. Okay, we have a lovely seating area here where you can chill out with your mates. We've got an outdoor kitchen / barbecue area. We have our amazing pool by Plungy, as well as our beautiful ginkgo trees, which for me are the highlight of this backyard area.
I really like it. I'm very surprised. Maybe because I just like dark colours.
They've got a little kitchenette. My only concern is there's no outdoor dining table.
This is amazing, look at this. Imagine if that was
That is cool. Yeah,
that
that could be a servery.
That'd be beautiful.
Imagine having stools here. That'd be perfect.
Yeah.
This is yeah, no.
So through the back here, we have some great little Merbau decking and some paving around the back. We've screened the area where you hang your clothes, so it's nice and private, as well as the pool equipment. Some beautiful ferns which you can see through that feature window.
I like how they've done.
So much nicer.
I like how they've done this though. The paving, how it's on like angles.
Yeah.
That's cool. I wouldn't even think to do something like that.
I hope you enjoy our space.